back to the channel. Today I'm going to fit this spoiler, it's a carbon fibre one, onto this M4, which is my sister's car. I want to do it as a reversible mod, so no drilling, don't really want to mess about with the boot lid, it's just going to be stuck down, which is how most people fit it these days anyway. So first things first is we want to make sure this is clean. So I'm going to use some alcohol wipe, yeah? The reason for that is obviously it cleans, it kills any kind of grease and things, and it will make sure it's completely dry. So I'm going to crack on with that. That's actually going to be stuck to the car. You want to make sure you clean that with the alcohol wipe as well to make sure it's completely degreased. And at this stage you definitely need someone to give you a hand, otherwise it's going to be quite hard to stick. At this stage, really important you wear gloves because you don't want any grease or oils from your hands affecting how well it sticks. We're going to put some tape here, here and here just so that we can align it. So you just really want to use a cloth and press this down to make sure it's all stuck down, no air bubbles, anything like that. Right, so what we want to do, actually we want to warm the boot lid up. This will make sure that the glue and the adhesive here will stick much better if both sides are warmed up, yeah? The last step is actually just to tape it up. You can leave it overnight. You can use something like Tiger Seal. if you want. It's not absolutely necessary because this tape's really good, it's waterproof and everything as well. So yeah, hope you guys like the video. Give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and share with your friends and family. See you in the next video.